Good morning, second grade. It's Mrs. Munyon once again, bringing you your phonics target skill for the week. So if you remember from yesterday, our last lesson, I told you that we are going to work on the sound for long A, and the sound for long I, and that the spelling that we're focusing on this week are A and I with the magic E. So I have my cards today to show you that on our acorn card, we have 4 spellings for the sound for long A. And as you know from our last blending, this is the spelling that we're focused on, A blank E. There will be a consonant in the middle between your 2 vowels. In our last lesson, we did blend the word taste, and that had 2 consonants on the line. And then our other spelling this week is the sound for long I, like you hear at the beginning of ice cream. These are all spellings for the sound for long I. And of course, today we're going to be blending words that have I blank E. And again, there's typically only 1 consonant on this line in between our 2 vowels. So let's take a look at some words. Now, as I'm blending today, some of the words will be the same as our last blending lesson. So as I'm working, if you're thinking to yourself, Mrs. Munyon, we already blended this word list. A lot of them will be the same, some will be new. There won't be a sentence, and then at the end, there will just be some longer words. Okay, so let's take a look at some words. Here we go. Sound, sound, A. Blend and hold. Race, race. Sound, sound, I. Blend and hold. Rice, rice. Sound, sound, A. Blend and hold. Rake, rake. Sound, sound, I. Blend and hold. Hike, hike. Let's read line 1. Race, rice, rake, hike. Line 2. Sound, sound, whoops, Mrs. Munyon made a mistake there. Sound, I. Blend and hold. Pile, pile. Sound, sound, A. Blend and hold. Pale, pale. Sound, 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 I. Blend and hold. Slide, slide. Sound, 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 I. Blend and hold. Slime, slime. Let's read line 2. Pile, pale, slide, slime. Line 3. Sound, sound, I. Blend and hold. Right, right. Did you remember that the sound for WR is That's on our rooster card. I'm not sure if you can see it in the background up here. It's kind of dark up there. But that is a spelling for WR. That would have been a first grade skill that I'm reviewing with you. What do you call a person who likes to write or they write for a living? That's a writer. So we would take the word write and we add a letter R to the end, writer. Some teachers might say drop the E and add ER. I like to say take the base word and add a letter R, writer. Sound, B. Sound, sound, A. Blend and hold. Brave, brave. What would we call the person who is the most brave? That's right. We would say that person is the bravest. So we would take our base word, brave, and add an ST. Some teachers say drop the E and add EST. I like to tell my second graders we only need to add an ST because the E is already there. Let's read line 3. Right, writer, brave, bravest. Line 4. Sound, t, sound, sound, a. Blend and hold. Trade, trade. What would we call a person who trades a lot for a living? Like in colonial times, when people settled new lands, they like to trade furs and skins for maybe shells or gold. We refer to those people as early traders. How would we spell the word trader? That's right. Trader, trader. Sound, sh, sound, I. Blend and hold. Shine, shine. Now, what if we wanted to write the word shining? Do you know what the rule is for that? We take our base word shine, we're going to drop the E and add ing. Shining, shining. When you have a base word that ends with a silent E like shine, and you want to add the suffix ing, you drop the E and add ing. Let's read line 4. Trade, trader, shine, shining. Our last line are longer words. This is a compound word. What does it say? Oh, can you see it there? Let's tilt this. What's our compound word? Handmade, right. It would mean something that was made with someone's 2 hands. Here's our next one. Do you know what that word is? Also a compound word. Spaceship. That refers to a ship that navigates or travels in space. Here's our last one. What does that say? You're right, it says milkshake. A milkshake is a thick, delicious drink that people like to have. Sometimes you can get them at Steak and Shake or McDonald's. A milkshake is, to be honest with you, Mrs. Munya doesn't really understand what the shake part means, unless it means that to make a milkshake, sometimes you have to shake the contents, and there's milk in one. So a milkshake is a drink that contains milk that you sometimes have to make by shaking it. Okay, second grade, that's our phonics target skill for today. Remember, we're talking about the sound for long A and long I with the magic E on the end. Keep reading, keep working. See you next time. Bye.